Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this bow hair tie in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this by following this tutorial video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And there are also other many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments, and if you want any other tutorial videos, let me know in the comment. This is so easy and beginner friendly hair tie. You can easily make this at home by following this tutorial videos. You can also attach a hair clip in this, or you can attach a hair tie to make it in your own way, or you can attach a keyring in it to make it a keychain. So let's begin our video. For making this bow hair tie, first we're gonna make a slip knot. Insert your hook. I'm using a 2.5mm hook. You can use as your yarn size or make chains. We are going to make a total of 63 chains for making this bow. Make 63 chains. Just make it. Make a chains. 63. Make chain 63, and I will show you what to do next. As you can see, we have completed making 63 chains. Now after making 63 chains, we are going to skip the first chain and make a half double crochet in the next chain. Make half double crochet, then again make half double crochet in the next chain. We are going to make a half double crochet in the next 6 chains. So let's count as 3, then again 4, 5 and then 6. After making 6 half double crochet, we are going to slip stitch in the next chain. Make a slip stitch, then again slip stitch. We are going to make a slip stitch in the next 6 chains. Make 6 slip stitches, 4 and then 5 and 6. After making 6 slip stitches, we are going to make a half double crochet again. Make half double crochet in the next 16 chains. Make 16 half double crochet in the next 16 chains. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. After making 16 half double crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 6 chains. Make 6 slip stitches, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and then 6. After making 6 slip stitches, we are going to make again 16 half double crochet in the next 16 stitches. Make 16 half double crochet, 1, 2, again 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, sorry, again 15, then 16. After making 16 half double crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 6 chains. Make 6 slip stitches, 2, then again 3, 4, sorry, 5, and then 6. We have 6 chain left. In the 6th chain, we are going to make 6 half double crochet, just like we did before in it first. 3, then 4, 5, and then 6. Our row 1 is completed. For row 2, we are going to chain 1 and flip the project. After that, make a half double crochet in the back loop only. Make half double crochet in the back loop only. Make 6 half double crochet, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. After that, we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 6 stitches where we did before the slip stitch 1. Make 2 in the back loop, 2, sorry, 3, and then 4, 5, then 6. After making 6 slip stitches, we are going to make a half double crochet in the next 16 stitches where we did 16 half double crochet in row 1. Make 16 half double crochet in the half double crochet stitch in the back loop only. Make a half double crochet. From now on, we are going to make a half double crochet stitches in the half double crochet, then slip stitch stitches in the slip stitch stitches where we did in the first row, same row. In the back loop only, we are going to note that make half double crochet in the half double crochet stitches and make a slip stitch in the slip stitch stitches from the rows. Just make a half double crochet in this next 16 stitches. I'm making it. Just repeat the pattern, follow the steps. After making 16 half double crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 6 stitches in the back loop only. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. After making 6 slip stitches, we are going to make a half double crochet in the next 16 stitches. Make 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. After making 16 half double crochet, after making 16 half double crochet, we are going to make a slip stitch in the next 6 slip stitches. Make a slip stitch in the back loop only. Make 1, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, 5 and then 6. After that, make a 6 half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Half double crochet stitches, 1 2, then 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Make chain 1. We have completed row 2. For row 3, we are going to make a half double crochet in the next 6 stitches. From this row, we are going to repeat row 2. From row 3 to row 5, we are going to repeat the row 2. Just make same as we did in the row 2. Make half double crochet stitches in the half double crochet stitch and then slip stitches in the slip stitches stitch. In the back loop only we are going to remember that. So just repeat the pattern and I will show you what to do next. Follow the steps and I will show you what to do next. After completing row 5, after completing row 5, we are going to chain 1 and then cut the yarn. We are going to cut the yarn. Just cut it. Pull the yarn through and tighten it. Now we are going to making the shape by this bow shape. Make it in the bow shape. For that, bend it into the middle part of slip stitches, bend it equally, fold it, and from the other side also fold it in half. Fold it in half. Then we gonna need a long tail. As you can see. Now we're gonna need a long tail of yarn. For bend it and attach it in the bow shape and attach the hair tie in it. We need a long tail. Take it and then tie it. Just repeat the pattern what I'm doing. Follow the steps to attach. Just repeat it. Just follow the steps what I'm doing. And you will make the bow shape hair tie. Just see how to attach it by following my pattern. After attaching the hair tie with bow, we are going to hide the yarn tails by the help of yarn needles. Just insert your yarn in the yarn needles and hide it. Just follow the steps what I am doing, and you will make this cute little bow hair tie at home. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it. Just follow the steps. Just follow my instruction and you will make it perfectly clean way finished look. Just follow the steps, follow the instruction what I am doing. So as you can see everyone, our cute little bow hair tie is ready. You can easily make it at home by following this tutorial video. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment. If you want any other tutorial videos, let me know in the comment, and there are also other many tutorial videos available in my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. Keep supporting. Love you all. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye. Love you all. Keep supporting.